Hey guys,
it's Jay
and Leah.
Welcome back to our channel.
So guys, if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe
And hit that notification button.
and you like our videos.
Yeah. And you can see this.
Yeah.
Right there.
So if you didn't know already, we're doing the 12 Day of Christmas Challenge. And today we are on day 8. So if you haven't seen day 9, 10, 11, or 12, then the links will be down below. Make sure you like those videos, you watch those videos.
Yeah, I'm going to put something in there.
So, for day 8, our new challenge, it is No Bowl, No Spoon Slime Challenge.
Alright guys, I'm going to pick something that goes.
Yep, Jaden, you get to pick the next ornament for the day 8.
Where's day 8?
Hi, Maya.
Where's day 8?
Day 8.
It feels like day 2, but it's not.
Not sure. Okay, guys. So, with that being said, we're just going to get right into the video. Alright, guys.
Hey, guys.
So, now we have all the ingredients that we need.
Yeah, guys, comment down below if you have seen the Spider-Man.
Yeah, guys, so we watched Spider-Man today, the newest one. It was pretty good.
Yeah, we're going to get a DVD of it. I want to see it again.
Yeah, the movie was pretty awesome, guys. You should. If you haven't seen. Yeah, we have our baby sister Maya in the background. She's our audience today.
Yep.
Hi, Maya.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, so if you haven't checked out the newest Spider-Man movie, you
we're going to do
watch
rock, paper, scissors.
So how this is going to go, me and Jade are going to do rock, paper, scissors to see which one we get to choose. So if we have these two, and me and Jaden do rock, paper, scissors, and Jaden wins, then he gets to pick which one. I have to pick the opposite one. But for these that have multiple ones, then if Jaden wins, then he gets to pick any one, and then I get to choose whatever I want after his pick.
Yep.
So, yeah, guys, we have to use no bowl and no spoon.
Yes. Okay, rock.
Start over. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, I know you always do rock. Okay, I'm gonna do. Oh, we're doing glue first. So I'm gonna pick red.
I'm gonna pick.
Yeah, you have no choice. Okay, so next is.
It's pour them in.
These two. You know what we're doing?
Okay, guys, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
Yep, we're gonna do it for these two. Ready?
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Pick one. Okay, fine.
We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, you know what? Okay. So now we're gonna do the glitters. You ready? Wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Pick the color.
The blue.
Blue? Okay.
I got it. Which one do you want to pick?
I'll choose this one. It's a nice mix of colors. Okay, now we're gonna do sequence. Ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Then I want
Red?
Yeah. I'm getting cool stuff. You're getting lame stuff.
How am I getting lame stuff?
I'm getting the cool stuff. You're getting the lame.
I am too. Yes, I am. Okay, here, take this. I'm gonna take this color because it's a nice color.
No,
Okay, last one. Foam stickers.
Okay.
Ready?
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang.
Which one?
Because nice color. Go.
You know I win that one. That's why you picked it.
I like gold. Gold my favorite.
Of course you do. Okay. I'm going to choose silver. Yeah. Okay.
I got gold, and I got blue, and I got red, and I got this. I got green.
So I have beads. I have the silver stars, the silver foam stars. I have the red glue. I got the little confetti glitter, pink mostly. And I got the aqua sequins. Comment down below and tell us what you think, who's gonna be better. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Not like, do you want to take it off or no? Yours look like the 4th of July.
Yours
Like
looks
you just
like
exploded on your table.
yours looks like the 4th of July.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna pour the glue last. Easy.
What do you get?
Okay, baby.
Do glue. Are you sure? What if it gets on the table? What if it gets on the floor? This was weird. It's starting to get spread. Starting to do my hands?
Yep. Only your hands.
Nah. I hate doing my hands. I don't want to fill it though. It might be gross. Ew, do I have to? Ew! Ew! What is this? What is this?
It's the making of slime.
What is this? This looks ugly. This looks pretty. Actually, mine looks prettier than yours.
Yours is getting a little messy, huh, Jake?
Yes. Julia, what? Why are you doing it with your whole hand?
So guys, we put the activator in. And it's getting a little interesting.
I'm never doing this video again.
Why?
Because I'm never doing it in my hands ever again.
Guys, if you want to see Jaden do more slime with his hands, comment down below.
Nah, nah,
Yeah.
nah,
Yeah.
nah,
Yeah.
nah,
Yeah.
nah.
Yeah. You're gonna do more of this, Jaden. Watch.
What about you?
I'll do it too.
No, you're not.
Yes, I will.
Ew, I hate these spiky things.
The stars?
Yes, they're hurting me actually. Well, they're actually sticking to my hands. Guys, comment down below which one is better. Yours is pink, mine is green. Mine's
Mine
like
is
swamp
red. It's just
monster.
like light.
I know, but yours is not that cool. Mine is lighter.
Yours just looks like a blob. Mine is like a
Oh, I'll
blob.
fall asleep.
You're falling asleep? Is that what you said?
Get this off me. Why would it get it off?
Yeah, the beads and the stars make it hard to knead.
Yeah,
'Cause
you're
they're
gonna
everywhere.
die with me. Guys! What about the back? A Spider-Man! I'm gonna wipe you.
Jaden, I liked Spider-Man before you. You liked Iron Man, remember?
Now I like Spider-Man, huh?
Oh, now you do. I've never switched up on Spider-Man like Jaden. Yeah. Remember, you were him for Christmas? I mean, not Christmas, Halloween?
Yep. No, I was actually Leonardo.
That was last year.
Oh, yeah?
A couple of years ago, you were Spider-Man.
Yeah, I was Spider-Man. Why?
You switched up. You chose Iron Man.
Yeah, because he can fly.
So
now I like Spider-Man.
Oh, now you like. Oh, so you like Spider-Man, but when Iron Man could fly, you chose him.
Yep. But now I don't like him.
Why?
Because he's not my favorite.
Why?
Because I have watched him a long time.
Yeah, exactly. You haven't watched Spider-Man in a long time either.
I know, because I didn't know it was on there. So yeah. So I like Spider-Man.
Bandwagon.
You like Thor.
No, I don't. I have never liked Thor.
Then who do you like?
I like Spider-Man.
Yeah, because you just watched the movie.
No, I liked him before that.
Well, when I was born, who did I like when I was
You
born?
liked Hulk.
Okay, and when I
Then
got
you switched up on him, and then you chose Spider-Man, and then now you're Iron Man, and then now you're Spider-Man again. Isn't that right?
Alright, guys.
Alright, guys, these are our slimes.
Yeah. Guys, you want to see me make a bubble? You guys won't. Gosh.
But yeah, guys, these are our slimes. Comment down below on whose is better.
Who is the more Christmassy?
Comment down below on whose is more Christmassy.
Ah! Ooh, baby. Fail. That was a good one, man.
So guys, I kind of like this challenge because, you know, there's not really a big mess anywhere. You just can dab it up with the slime. And it kind of slime easier or faster. And besides, you don't have to clean bowls or spoons or anything like that.
Yep. Why can't we clean them?
Yeah. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And hit the notification button.
And that like button. Yeah, the notification button. Because we will continue our 12th day of Christmas challenge. So make sure you stay tuned for our tomorrow video. Thank you for watching this video.
AKA Lab Christmas.
8 days left until
Christmas.
So guys, make sure you stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.